Every PDF these apps make can carry your company's letterhead, your logo, your colors, your name up top. Here's the whole setup, start to finish. It takes about 2 minutes. Open the change order generator and tap Business Settings. Upload your logo. Any JPG or PNG works. The moment it lands, the app pulls your brand colors right out of the logo and lines them up as swatches. Tap the one that looks like you. Now pick your letterhead style. Letterhead is clean and classic. Your name in big type. Banner puts your brand on a dark header band. Bold turns the whole band your color. Watch the preview change as you tap. And that preview is free for as long as you want to play with it. When it looks right, that's what Suite Pro puts on the real PDFs. One key, $29.99, one time, never a subscription. Paste the key in once, and all 3 apps unlock together. Here's a real change order with the letterhead on. Markup and tax figured, both signatures on the screen, and the paper your customer holds looks like it came from your company, because it did. Same letterhead, automatically, on your bid leveling sheets and your punch list closeouts. Set it once, it's everywhere. One more thing, if you like designing on a big screen, there's a Letterhead Studio right on the website. No install, nothing uploaded anywhere. When it's right, scan the QR code with your phone, and your style and colors carry over. Text yourself the logo file, tap it in, done. There's no cloud in the middle, so your logo never leaves your own devices. The 3 apps are free and stay free. Offline, no account, no monthly fee. Pro is $29.99 once with a 30-day money-back guarantee, and the preview costs nothing to try. Digitalforemansuite.com. See you on the job.